Hey there everyone, in this video we're going to talk about live translation feature now available in iPhone and iPad. For that, let's jump into our iPad screen. Okay, so there we go. We are going to call one of my friend and we will see how these auto translate function work. And we are connected. Now probably I need to hit those three dots. So these are the options with whom we can play with, which is live caption, live translation, screen sharing, and share play. So in this video, we will be focusing on live translation feature. And if we see here, we can translate to the following language, which is French, German, Portuguese, and Spanish. And then here we have option to translate the language to. So I want all these languages to be translated to English US from French, German, Portuguese, and Spanish. The only con here I see is the number of supported language is limited. So let's say if you can speak English and your colleague can only speak French, German, Portuguese, and Spanish, then they can speak on their own language and iPad or iPhone can translate that original voice from French, German, Portuguese, and Spanish to English. And it can go vice versa as well. So here maybe in future they're gonna add more language support, and I'm especially interested in seeing Asian languages as well as Slavic languages because they are really tough to learn compared to Indo-Aryan languages. And let me also show you the demo of it which Apple presented in WWDC.
Hi, are you available to cater a wedding on December 6th?
Hallo, sind Sie für eine Hochzeit am 6. Dezember verfügbar?
So that's all guys from my side in this video. And I think this is really a step in right direction, as this is one of the core feature of phone, which is to communicate. Please make sure you subscribe to iPad Essential for more such videos related to iPad and iPad productivity, and I will see you around.